X2 is XOP's lightweight tree climbing tool. Modular, versatile, and very lightweight, it offers maximum grippage and excellent packability. Isn't that right, Byron?
Everyone knows the X2s are really light, but my favorite feature is just how they hunt. There's no compromises, and that's why they're a big part of my mobile hunting process.
The X2 benefits from our new 7075 aluminum construction. Using space-grade aluminum ensures optimal weight and increased durability. The ideal combination of lightweight, compactness, and functionality is now a reality. Whatever the situation, the X2 climbing tools are extremely practical, with machined traction for a slip-resistant surface, slide lock technology to improve packability, and integrated aider holes to maximize your climbing height. Highly modular, X2s can be optimized according to your needs. X2 comes with XOP's standard fast strap button, making them an ideal candidate for aftermarket rope mods. The integrated aider holes accept cable, amsteel, or webbing style aiders. The X2 climbing tool features an extra-large 5-inch standoff, maximizing boot room, allowing you to climb with ease.